Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. This is actually a sad day, so I'm just gonna get to it. But this is actually the last drive that we're having with the Maxima, with our CVT Maxima. You'll probably be like, he's just like, you know, BSing or this and that. No, actually, yeah, this is actually the last time I'm driving my car, which is actually tuned, and we have a CVT. But last time we're driving it with the CVT and everything, so there's actually a bittersweet moment, because you know we're not gonna have this car, but you know, at the end of the day we're gonna have an even better car. But guys, don't be sad. At the end of the day, we're gonna have a better car. Don't hate me for this, guys. So I'm just gonna tell you, Maxima's come with the CVT. We won't have the car with the CVT and anything, but I'm just gonna let you guys know the next step, the next one that we're getting is actually gonna be 6-speed. So goodbye to the Maxima with the CVT manual. But the next one we get, the next car we get, is gonna have a 6-speed in it. So we're gonna be chilling. We're gonna be having fun with that one. But yeah, we're gonna be chilling. We're gonna be having fun with that one. So, but yeah, guys, it's actually been on my mind. You know, I've been back and forth. Should I get rid of the car? I even tried trading it in for a Focus ST. I tried to trade it in for like a Civic Si. I tried everything, you know, with the 6-speed or whatever. So I'm actually pulling the trigger on something. We're actually, hopefully soon, when we get everything figured out, we'll be having a 6-speed car. So honestly, I love this car to death. I didn't even think I'll be doing this at all. Like I'm telling you, I've been back and forth. You guys seen the videos. You guys heard me talking about it and everything. So like, I do love the car. I love the paddle shifters. I love everything. The car is tuned. I had my fun with it. But the problem is that, yeah, it's fun. It's a fast car and everything. But it's still in the back of my head, like, damn, you know, this car is like tuned up, you know, really, really good. So, but then the CVT and all that, always wanted this one. But don't worry, it's actually like a rare car. Like, there's not that many of them, you know, with that spec. There's not that many of them in the world. So I just want to get you guys better content, you know, just do what I want to do and have a car with a 6-speed. I used to have an RSX, it was 6-speed, and I actually kind of miss it. So, you know, well, last time that we are going to be able to listen to these pops. Well, with the stock cats, and like a car with the stock cats. Oh shit, that's a cop. Oh, I just passed a police station doing the freaking pops and bangs. Last time, freaking doing the pops and bangs with the stock cats on a car. Thankfully, because I wanted louder. But I mean, just imagine this car was manual, like vroom, 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 right? Accelerate, shift. Alright guys, well, we made it. Yeah, there's the guy.
What's up?
What's going on? Fortunately, the car is going to him. He'll take care of the car. Like, I got no worries or whatever. The car will be well taken care of, guys. So, you know, don't worry. We'll see her again. We'll see her again, though. Don't worry. Well, I think she's in a better place. 350Z. I think he did an engine swap on that one. So my car, Infinity, another Infinity. So he does a lot of Nissan stuff. But yeah, guys, just look at her. I'm gonna miss her. She has a special place in my heart with the CVT transmission. Special place. We beat a lot of cars with it. So, well, fortunately, actually, we left the car. He's gonna take care of it, don't worry. But, you know, onto better things. Something, it has to be fun. Something manual. It'll still probably be like front wheel drive. push in 300 and something, you know, something fun so we can have fun, but something simple. Hope you guys like the video. Remember, God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. Peace. Check out the new whip. Such a nice day outside to go pick up a car. Guess what day it is today? We're gonna go pick up my car. Finally, it's done out the shop. Headers are on. Gonna go get a haircut first because we got a big old mess up here. We're gonna get a haircut, then we're gonna go get the car. Let's go see the headers. Really? We got a haircut, looking good. Got some jelly in it, you know. Now that we're on the way, you know, we got Stitch right here looking all angry. Yeah, he's ready to see them. He's ready to see Maxine. Yeah, I got here and I got my sister. Yo, you look like you got a perm. I'm not even gonna bore you guys. I'm just gonna skip right to it and let's go see the car. All right, guys. Damn, we finally made it. Oh, the car's outside. I'm so excited. I wonder how the car's gonna sound. But yeah, we're here. Ooh, look at the car. Look at the car. Look at the car. And they cleaned it too. She's clean. Damn, look at the headers. I think you can see the back. Nah, you really can't see the headers, but damn guys, tell me this car is not looking better. I think I just missed it way too much. My guy here said this thing sounds beastin'. All right, let's go start it. Let's see.
I'm probably gonna get scared, aren't I?
I don't know.
I hope not. That scared the shit out of me. I think you popped my ears.
Yeah, this thing is mad loud. That's what the header is. This thing is gonna be sick. But yeah, everything's normal. You know, we turn it on, whatever, and so they actually cleaned the car. Like everything's clean. So it's pretty sick. Make sure. I'll be honest with you. I think I didn't record that.
Oh, you serious?
I think I didn't record it. Nah.